Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my vlog. Again, so andito tayo ngayon sa Clark International Airport kasi we're going to have a new travel. And this time, we're going to Thailand. Yeah. So, kakatapos lang namin sa immigration. First time namin dito sa Clark International Airport. So, yan kasama ko, si Syla and Mark. Bale, katatapos lang namin sa immigration. And pati lang naman yun lang sa mga siguro 3 sets of questions or 3 questions lang, more of saan ka nagtatrabaho, tapos anong ginawa mo sa huli mong destination, kasi napunta ako dati sa Vietnam and tinanong lang, then after that tinatakan mo yung aking passport. Just be confident in answering immigration officers questions para yun, palabasin kayo ng bansa. So, ngayon, pupunta na kami ng kakainan namin kasi gutom na kami. Wala pa kaming breakfast, lunch. So, time check, it's already ano oras na? Alas 4? Alas 4 ata. Ayan, so, boarding kami ng 6:30. So guys, maraming salamat. Ayan yung Clark Airport. Say hi! Hi kayo. Ayun. So yun guys yung runway. Kita natin dyan. Carpeted din yung carpeted din yung floors. So ang ganda. Ito yung sa runway guys. Ayan. So yung kapatid. Ayan yung aeroplano natin for today's flight. It will be Cebu Pacific. Kita nyo guys. So, ganda. Ganda no? Say hi! Tara. Ayan. Hi guys, so ngayon nandito na kami sa boarding area by 6:45. Magbo-board na kami. Ayan. So, nandito kami sa malapit sa charging area kasi nag-charge kami ng phone. See you Bangkok! Yun lang.
When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags.
We go to landing stations.
Hey guys, dito na kami sa Bangkok. Bale, ang ganda ng airport nila. Dito kami sa Suvarnabhumi Airport and we're going to immigration. So, first time namin ditong tatlo sa Bangkok. Ang saya. Say. Sorry. Say hi. So, hanapin namin immigration. Punta pa rin po kami sa immigration. Tapos, yan. Tingin-tingin lang sa airport. Ito, audio. Hi, welcome to our welcome to our picnic hotel video. So we have the closet. Then as we go forward, there's a mini pantry with free water and electric kettle. We have free coffee and other stuff. We have a ref. Can just put my luggage here. We have a television and also a view. Let me check. I'm excited for the view. It's okay. And then we have this couch here. This one is this room is double bed. That's why we have two beds here. So it's nice. Let's check the rest room with the coffee booth. Now let me check. Oh, we have sink. The sink is gorgeous. We have hair dryer. We have the culinary cotton bags and the shower area. We have free soap and shampoo. It's clean. See, clean. Very clean. So we have bidet. As a Filipino, we are really in need of bidet, especially when we are in a other country. So yeah, so far satisfied with this room. Okay, see you guys. Bye. Nice.